Hello guys, so some video today we're gonna playing tower. So anyways guys, if you watch some video so channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, we're going to play the game. Let's go the easy game. So anyways guys, we're going to climb the ladder, I think. So this is the easy game that I can just beat it. So that's alright. So anyways, we're going to keep on easy game. So I'm going to choose if I want. So I'm going to beat it for now on. So I'm going to beat it. So this is the easy game. Looks like Boris and also Miguel. So that's alright. So I'm going to beat it. What you can. So this is the thing that I can just beat it. I can't even do it. I can't even do it, guys. So I can just shift block, but I can't. I can't even shift block like that. So that's alright. That's okay. So, bro, hey, shake my butt. Shake my butt. Shake. Okay, do be careful, guys. Be careful of these stairs, guys, right? So, this is the easy game that I can beat it. So, I'm going to beat him, I guess. Become a girl, I guess. Let me know in the comment section about this mod. So, anyways, you're going to beat it. What chicken? What's that? What's that, guys? Okay. So, that's alright, guys. Subscribe to her, guys. I like her so much, yeah? So, I'm going to... what? How? I'm going to beat her. I'm going to... Stop saying... Stop falling. Come on. Ooh. Oh no, I think she will going to beat me, I guess. She's going to beat me. Oh my god, this is hard. Oh my god. I think so hard. Oh my god, she will going to beat me. Hey, you can't even beat me. Hey, you can't beat me. I'm the pro. So I'm going to just keep on doing it. How? Can't even do it. How can I do it? Oh, I'm trapped. I think. I'm trapped. Where's the entrance? This is the hardest game. Okay, fine. It's funny. You can just laugh if you want. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wait, oh wait. What's that? What's that noise? Or what's that smell? What the? Hey, what? Oh, it's easy. Wow. Boris, that it guy. Boris? What is Boris? Boris Anderson. Boris Anderson is probably real, I guess. 7-Eleven. 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 Please. Come on. Beat. We're going to beat it. We're going to beat it now. This is easy. I think it's easy, right? Upload po. Baby. Okay, so that is the easy game. So I just draw Miguel Anderson. So that's right. So I'm going to build it. I just draw a painting. So I'm going to make a different color, I think. So let me know in the comment section about this mod. So that is alright. So I'm going to beat it from now on. No reasonable. So anyways, no, this one's hard. No, 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 no. No, it's so hard. I'm going to get blind. I'm going to blind or something else. So let me know in the comments, okay? Nah. Oh my god. This game's hard. I'm now going to keep uploading videos, guys. And I'm going to continue uploading videos, guys. Right, guys? So let me know in the comments about this. Okay. I wanted to just beat it for now on. So I like green. Green Tower is my favorite, guys. Bro. Bro, do not lag. Bro, do not lag. Do not lag at this game, guys. Do not lag at this game, guys. Right there. So I'm going to beat that game. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6. So let me know in the comments, right, guys. So I'm going to beat it for now on reasonable. So anyways, we're going to beat it, I guess. I'm not going to beat it for now on. So let me know in the comments, right? Oh no no no! No. You can't even beat me. Hey, beat me. Beat me. Uy, 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 uy. Ay, no, 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 no. Bang tung gây si wa sa ding gang gu. Hey, beat me. Hey, little girl, beat me. I don't care. If you just beat me, then I don't care. Beat me. Okay, so that is the easy game. So I can just be easy. Ouch! Okay, that's easy. I like the easy game. Okay, that's easy, right? Oh my god. Oh my god, this easy. I like easy. I think I like easy, right? Okay. Why? Why this hard? This one's hard. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. This one's hard. How? Why this one's hard, guys? Oh my god, guys. This is an easy game. I think I'm not gonna fall, guys. I think I'm not gonna fall because it sends ace easy. Oh, I think I'm going to not be falling, guys. So let me know in the comment section about this mod. So I can just beat it for now on, no reasonable. So I can just stop calculating this. So anyways, we're going to not touching on about this game because I am touching this mod. So I can just stop very fast, I guess. So let me know in the comments section where more about this mod. So I'm going to keep jumping, right? I'm going to beat this and I'm going to get win if I get one popular, guys. So I'm going to get popular, right, guys? So I have 190,000 views, I guess. So I'm going to be a popular video, I think. I wanna be a popular channel, I think it is. But anyway, we're going to beat that game. We're now going to beat it. I love it. Oh my god. No, this one's hard. Oh my god, I can just beat it. Oh my god, it's so easy. No. No, this one's hard. How can I beat it? How can I beat it so far? Can I beat it? Can I beat it now? I can just beat it for now on reasonable. Oh no, it's hard. Oh no, I forgot. I need to be careful, guys. I need to be careful. And also, I'm going to jump. I'm going to jump like this, guys. Oh my god. Easy peasy. Lemon squeeze. Easy peasy. Guys, it's easy. I know I'm going to keep. We're trying to off the. I don't know. I'm going to choose for the random place. How? Why? Let's leave this game. You know what? I'm going to win this. Shake my butt. Shake it now. Yes. You can't even beat me. You can't even beat me. I'm a friend. Okay, that's okay. That's alright. That's okay. Hey, you newbie. Thank you. Hey, she's so fast. She is so fast that I cannot beat it. You are a little girl. Okay, let me beat it so much, guys. I mean, I'm a big pro, right? Let me be up here. Guys. Okay, I want to become a pro, guys. I want to be an easy game. I think it's easy, right? For you to come and for you, ugly girl. Hey, shake my butt, shake my butt. I can't even do it. So goodbye, guys.